Hey everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia Logic Synchrony, and this machine was brought in because the infuser inside the machine was stuck. That would be that part right there. And it's because the machine was probably shut off mid-cycle and the gear could not find its home position, and so it was tightening up and you couldn't get it out. But we reset it, removed it, and then we found that there was a leak there's a valve behind here, and it was leaking, missing the drip tray completely and ending up down here, and then it was leaking out the machine. So we replaced that, and now everything is all well. As soon as it gets back heating up, then we will pull shot. There we go. Looking good. A little more than 2 ounces. That's alright. It's a little full. Alright, and let's see. Test the steam here for a minute. Purge the water from the wand first. Alright, looking good on the steam front. Let's do some hot water. You probably get this in there. Just do it like this. Purge the steam off first. There we go. Hot water is functioning. Alright, there you have it. Gaggia Logic Synchrony functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.